All right, today we're going to go over how to tap into your dog's dopamine. And in the process of you understanding how to tap into your dog's dopamine, the hope is you understand how to tap into your own dopamine. Right, before we go over dopamine, what is dopamine? Dopamine is a chemical messenger neurotransmitter in your brain that helps control motivation, pleasure, focus, learning, and movement. All right, I want you to think of dopamine as that felt good. Do it again, feeling. Yes, think of it that way, all right? If you understand how to tap into your dog's dopamine and you're able to use the same process you take on how to tap into your dog's dopamine, you're going to be able to do the same thing for yourself. So that's understanding how to tap into your motivation, drive, desire, and being able to push yourself to achieve your goal. However, we're training dogs, so our goal is to get our dogs to listen to us. Let us start and let's have some fun.